Some stories arrive like tides, softly, insistently, leaving behind traces that linger in the heart. From windswept beaches to winter cabins, these are the tales of memory, longing, and lives shaped by the sea. "20 unforgettable short stories, each a glimpse into a soul, a season, or a secret kept too long." Some stories will warm you, some will haunt you, but all of them will stay with you like footprints in wet sand. Where Tides and Time Meet invites you into a world both timeless and deeply human. Written with heart, rooted in the coastal soul of British Columbia, Vancouver Island, these stories offer quiet revelations in every tide. Let the stories find you. Let the tide carry you home.